Hello friends, welcome to English language class. Today we'll be discussing on the topic comparison of adjectives. Firstly, let's discuss what adjective is. Adjective is a word and it qualifies a noun. It gives more information about the noun. For example, the lion is a strong animal. Strong is an adjective telling us about the lion or qualifying the lion. The second example says Rita is a beautiful girl. Beautiful is an adjective that tells us more about Rita or qualifies the noun Rita. In the comparison of adjectives, there are 3 degrees. We have the positive, comparative, and the superlative. Let's go one after the other. The first one, which is the positive degree, is used to denote the mere existence of equality. The positive degree does not involve the comparison of a thing with another. It is the simplest form of adjective. Let's consider the following examples. It is a tall building. Tall is an adjective in the positive degree. The next one says apple is sweet to taste. Sweet is also an adjective there, and you can see that the apple is not being compared. Now to the next one, which is the comparative degree. The comparative degree is used to compare the qualities of two persons or things. Now the comparative degree denotes the existence of a higher degree of the quality than the positive. It is used when two things or two sets of things are compared. For example, this building is taller than any other building. So that there is a comparison there of a building with others. Another example says apple is sweeter than pear. So that is a comparison of two things. The next is the superlative degree. The superlative degree denotes the existence of the highest degree of the quality. It is used when more than two things are compared. For example, this is the tallest building. So we are talking about more than two buildings here, among which one is the tallest. The next says apple is the sweetest fruit, meaning that apple among all fruits is the sweetest. Let's talk about the list of degrees of comparison. We'll be looking at some models. The first one is about adjectives that form their comparative and superlative by adding er and est respectively. Let's go on. We have bright, brighter, brightest, black, blacker, blackest, bold, bolder, boldest, clever, cleverer, cleverest, cold, colder, coldest, fast, faster, fastest, great, greater, greatest, high, higher, highest, kind, kinder, kindest, long, longer, longest, small, smaller, smallest, strong, stronger, strongest, sweet, sweeter, sweetest, tall, taller, tallest, young, younger, youngest. The next group of adjectives are those that end with e, and they form their comparative and superlative by adding r and st respectively. They are brave, braver, bravest, fine, finer, finest, large, larger, largest, nice, nicer, nicest, noble, nobler, noblest, pale, paler, palest, simple, simpler, simplest, wise, wiser, wisest, white, whiter, whitest. The third model is about adjectives that form their comparative and superlative by deleting the final y and adding ier and iest respectively. We have costly, costlier, costliest, dry, drier, driest, easy, easier, easiest, happy, happier, happiest, heavy, heavier, heaviest, lazy, lazier, laziest, messy, messier, messiest, wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. The fourth model is about adjectives that form their comparative and superlative by doubling the final consonants before adding er or est respectively. We have big, bigger, biggest, dim, dimmer, dimmest, fat, fatter, fattest, hot, hotter, hottest, thin, thinner, thinnest. The fifth model is about adjectives that are polysyllabic in nature. That means they have more than one syllable. We have their comparative and superlatives by adding more and most as prefix to the words. For example, active, more active, most active. Attractive, more attractive, most attractive. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Brilliant, more brilliant, most brilliant. Careful, more careful, most careful. And the last model we'll be looking at is about adjectives that form their comparative and superlative by taking different forms entirely. We have bad, worse, worst. Evil, worse, worst. Good, better, best. Ill, worse, worst. Far, farther, farthest. Well, better, best. Late, later, latest. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Many, more, most. So your assignment is from your English Inside Out text, page 172 to 173, exercises 3 and 4. Bye-bye.